Friday, the beginning of the weekend. That's awesome. The work week is over. I'm just at my girlfriend's house and we bought some fries. Look at this. It looks delicious. Like I said, it's Friday and for the third time in a row I'm going to an open gym training. This time I'm going to try to film a little bit more during the training itself. Look at this, guys. Look at this. My glasses just broke out of nowhere. I was just like doing this and my glasses just broke. I don't know how is that even possible. I mean, what the hell? Okay guys, so arrived at the gym. Let's do some crazy stuff. Follow me, guys. The gym session is over. It was sick. Our mate got a little bit of an injury, so that sucks a lot.
He has 10 stitches above his eye.
Yeah, man. Too bad. I'm still recovering from my injury.
He's an absolute nutcrack. Like, he never did like 540 twist in like a long time, and all of a sudden he does it right here on the trampoline. He's a fucking crazy guy.
I don't know what to say, guys.
Look at my dad. Look at my dad.
It's Saturday morning. I'm already on my way. I'm heading to my buddy Yannick. We're going to a big kayak store in the Netherlands. Stoked for that. First I need to get a little fuel stop. Now we're in Yannick's car on our way to the Netherlands. Okay guys, we made some shoppings. Look at this. Ready to roll the kayak season. It is Sunday. I got my kayak set up on the roof. Look at this. Ready to go to my buddy Yannick. Like I said, it is Sunday. It is just beautiful outside. Look at this. Yesterday we didn't have time to test out our new kayak gear because we were stuck in traffic. But now we're going to test it out on this lake in the Netherlands. We got our two boats set up, so we're ready to roll.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah! So I'm back home right now. For the rest of the day I'm just gonna do some work. Guys, have a great week. I hope you got a wonderful weekend, and of course I see you guys next weekend.